In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach static lists to HubSpot campaigns. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can confidently connect the right audience lists to the right campaigns and keep your reporting and attribution clean and accurate. First, start inside your HubSpot account on the main navigation menu at the top. Hover over or click on the marketing section. From that drop-down, choose Campaigns. This will take you to the main campaigns dashboard, where you can see all of your existing campaigns and their performance. Next, find the specific campaign you want to work with. This could be a campaign you've just created, or one that's already running, and you now want to associate a static list with. Click directly on the campaign name to open the campaign details page. Once you're inside the campaign, look for the Assets tab near the top of the screen. This tab is where HubSpot groups everything that's attached to that campaign, like emails, landing pages, forms, and in our case, lists. Go ahead and click on Assets. On the Assets tab, you'll see a button or link that says Add Assets. Click that. This opens a panel or window where you can choose what type of asset you want to attach to the campaign. On the left-hand side of this panel, you'll see different asset categories. Look for Contact Lists and select it. This narrows down the view so you only see the lists that are available to connect. Now you should see a list of your contact lists, including both static and active lists. Here, you want to find the specific static list you'd like to connect to the campaign. Static lists are great when you have a fixed group of contacts, for example, a one-time import or a defined segment that doesn't need to update automatically. Once you've located your static list, simply check the box next to that list name. You can select more than one static list if your campaign needs multiple audiences. Just make sure each one you need is checked. When you're happy with your selection, look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top right of the panel. Click Save. HubSpot will now attach those static lists as assets to your campaign, helping you track performance and engagement tied to those specific contacts. And that's it. You've successfully attached a static list to a HubSpot campaign.